So much to learn about, it'll make you want to shout, Blippi!
Hey, it's me, Blippi. Today, you and I are gonna draw a fish. Wow, I love fish. Yeah, they just love to swim underwater. Some are big, some are small, some are fast, some are slow. And today, you and I are gonna draw a purple fish. All right, I'm gonna do a long arch like that. Then I'm gonna go straight up and then do the opposite. Whoa, yeah, see that really wide triangle? Yeah, that is the tail fin. All right, now for the lips, I'm gonna draw a sideways heart, just like that. Oh, so cute. And a small circle for the eye. Ooh, a curved line. Yeah, to separate the back from the front. Oh, there we go. All right, and what does it have on its body? Not fur, yeah, scales. All right, there we go. Whoa, this fish is so cool. All right, I'm gonna draw a top fin up there. Looks like a triangle, right? Ooh, and a bottom fin. But I can't forget about some bubbles. Woo, woo, whoa, yeah. So cute. Well, if you wanna draw more with me, all you have to do is search for my name. Will you spell my name with me? B-L-I-P-P-I, Blippi. All right, see you again, bye-bye.
Come on everyone, let's make learning fun. Blippi. So much to learn about, it'll make you want to shout, Blippi!